Hey guys, Andrew here, and this is the Cambridge Science Festival. Hi, it's Tammy, and we're with Cambridge Immunology today. And so come to the Guildhall and see us. We've got the personal immune army, I think. So we're talking about the immune system, how it protects you from disease and infections. We've got loads of giant microbes for you to look at. We've got stickers of the immune system. We've got a microscope. Oh, we've also got an ultrasound to look for rheumatoid arthritis, I believe. Anyway, come and get one of our Cambridge Immunology tags. Right, so there's quite a few things happening in the Guildhall. There's also people from the Sanger Institute. Look at your genes. I think they're making ATCG beads and bracelets. We've also got stuff on the seat there. In the main hall, there's a lot more stuff happening. We've got Cambridge Vascular. We've got Minion. You can look at the heart system of Minions. A lot of stuff on heart research there. Ooh, something about crime scenes here. There's crime scene stuff. Building a cambrain. Hey, it's Cambridge Neuroscience Society. We've got... what else do we have here? Oh, we've got some displays from Hills Road. We've got some guys from the CIMR. Hey. Got displays from Anglia Ruskin. We also have MedImmune. And we've got something from about malaria. Oh look, we got some mosquitoes.
We've got some mosquitoes.
Oh,
we've got a mosquito with an empty belly because he's a hungry mosquito.
Oh, he's a hungry one. Oh.
And we've got a mosquito full of blood and malaria.
Yummy. And you've also got artemisinin as well.
We've got artemisinin annua seeds to plant.
Oh, seeds. Oh, brilliant. So you can grow your own anti-malarials.
Extract the anti-malarials, that's right. And lovely flower pots to decorate.
Oh, groovy.
Very complicated instructions because it's quite hard to germinate.
Oh, yeah. So this is the Chinese herb
Artemisinin annua, that's right.
So this was used in ancient medicine for alleviating symptoms.
Initially for fevers and then
fevers.
had anti-malarial effects. So that was about 2,000 years ago, and then in the 70s, people started extracting the active compound and making various artemisinin.
Oh yeah, and this lady, she got her Nobel Prize for it.
She did, yes, you're right.
Sorry, I can't remember her name. UU2? Yeah. Apparently they went through all the different types of Chinese medicines to look for the exact herb that affected, actually helped with fevers and things, and they found it was actually anti-malarial. And there's some stuff over here as well. Oh, this is Anglia Ruskin. I think we got some sports science. Hey guys! You guys from Anglia Ruskin, yeah? So are you looking at sports science and sports sciences? So come and do some exercise.
Some long jumping.
Long jumping.
Biking.
And biking.
Thermal imaging.
Yay! Oh, thermal imaging, yeah. See how hot you are. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so there's lots to do at the Guildhall today, the Cambridge Science Festival. So come along and have fun. See ya. Bye.